Hello guys, welcome back to the First FX Traders. On this video we are going to finish creating our Deriv account and link it to our MT5. So make sure you have the MetaTrader 5 app in your phone. You can get it on Google Play Store or on App Store. So back to our home page. I want you to click the icon to your far left at the top. You will be directed to a page where you will see from your personal details, verification, financial assessment, and security. Also, if you want to finish or complete the verification process, all is done here. So let's go back and continue. Make sure you are on the real account. So now we want to create our swap free account. So I want you to select CFDS at the bottom. So from here, I want you to scroll all the way down and select the account written swap free. Press activate real account. You are then directed to a page like this where you are required to create a password. Make sure you create a strong password, and after you've created your password, press continue. Select view account. A new page is going to pop up, and since the account is new, there are no transactions reflected. Just go to details. These are my account details, guys. I'm going to use these details to link my swap free account to my MetaTrader 5 app. So make sure you take a screenshot of your details or write them down. So without wasting time, let's open our MT5. This is our MT5, guys, and since you want to add a new account, you can either go to manage accounts or to that plus sign to your far right at the top. Then go to find broker and search for our broker Deriv SVG LLC and select it to complete the login process. Also note that in some cases the broker and the server can be different, so you must pay close attention to your account details. To log in, enter your login ID, your password, and select Deriv SVG server number 2. Congratulations guys, we are logged in. But since we don't have money in our account, we are not able to place trades. Stay tuned for our next video where I will guide you on how you can create your demo account and start trading.